Drifting Continents by Kathy Stogler, illustrated by Amanda Noss. A continent is a large area of land. There are 7 continents on the earth: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. How do people in America travel to Europe? How do people in Europe travel to America? Most people will take an airplane that travels across the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is a big body of water that is between the continents of North America and Europe. Many years ago, there were no airplanes. People traveled on a ship from Europe to America. Christopher Columbus traveled across the Atlantic Ocean on a ship from Europe to America. New settlers came on ships to make our country, the United States. It was a long trip on the ship across the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is a very large body of water. In 1910, a scientist named Alfred Wegener looked at a map of the world. He looked at how the continents fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. Wegener's idea was that millions of years ago there was one large area of land. He called this one land Pangaea. Pangaea means all the land. Wegener's idea said that over millions of years, Pangaea began to break apart. This is known as continental drift. The land drifted apart to make 7 continents. Between the continents are areas of water. These areas of water are the oceans. Many scientists thought Wegener's idea was silly, but then scientists started to look at the ocean floor. They learned about large plates of the earth on the ocean floor. These large plates push the continents apart. Scientists call this plate tectonics. These plates on the ocean floor move very, very slowly. It took millions of years for the continents to drift. This was before people lived on the land. Today we know there are oceans between the continents, and we are glad we can travel on airplanes to get across the oceans. Learn more. The end.